Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Call of Duty Black Ops 6 error code 0x87e00029. The error reads, "Something went wrong launching your game." As per our research, this error comes when players try to install or download the game or any add-ons. Some users also shared that they faced this error while downloading other games from Xbox Game Pass or the Microsoft Store. According to our research, the error may be caused by a system glitch, account issues, outdated apps, or problems with the installation drive. First, restart your Xbox console and check if the error still comes. If restarting doesn't help, try logging out of your Xbox or Microsoft account and then log back in. Then try to install the game again and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then make sure the Microsoft account logged into the Windows Store is the same one that has your Game Pass subscription. If it's different, you may face issues with installation. If you are on a PC, check if your Xbox app needs to be updated. If it's outdated, update it and then try again. If the error still comes, try installing the game on a different drive. Some users shared that reinstalling the game on their external SSD helped fix the error. So give this a try and see if this helps. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.